Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a sale on Depop as a seller. So first of all, you need to sign in into your Depop account. Then you just have to simply click on the inbox icon here on the top. After that, you just have to look for the items that you have sold. So over here, when you click on this particular inbox icon, you will be basically shown all sold item section. So you need to simply click on it. Here you are going to see the list of all of the items that you have sold. So you need to simply find the order that you want to cancel and open the sales details. So over here, when you are inside the details page, you need to scroll down a bit and then look for the option of refund. Now, after clicking on the refund option, you need to choose a full refund and then confirm it to return the buyer's payment to their original payment method. Now, if you were paid through PayPal, you need to issue the refund directly through PayPal instead. After the refund is processed, the sale is effectively cancelled. If the refund is made through Depop payments, then your application Depop selling fee is automatically refunded after the refund has been processed. So make sure that you cancel and refund the order before shipping it. If you have already sent the package, you should handle the situation with the buyer rather than simply treating it as an unshipped cancellation. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.